Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to cut a triangle out of a rectangle in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already insert this rectangle. Then click the shape tool. You can use polygon tool and use lights 3 or insert rectangle, or I best way create a new layer. Click the shape, right click, custom shape tool and setting, then import all shape, then find rectangle. I use this rectangle, change any color. I do not use stroke, press enter. Then hold shift, click and drag on your mouse. Then click the move tool, hold control, align middle, hold control, select cut out, press control I, then out this. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.